Number 18 here, we have pretty much the same concept. So we're going to just open this up. We're going to put our little vertical line. And again, we can just jump right into reading from they. They were not the first in England to adopt the literary modes of classical antiquity. So if I just think about that, we've got they were not. That's a subject verb pair. So this is a complete idea. Then after the vertical line, we pick up with however. However, some of the most prominent figures of the earlier Renaissance period were also influenced by ancient Greek and Roman literature. Well, from the however, we also have a subject and a verb. The sum of the most prominent figures were also influenced. So we've got two complete ideas. We need a semicolon again. So that allows us to eliminate choices A and B. Once more, we need to consider whether that however is supposed to contrast within this single sentence with the semicolon or against the stuff at the in the first sentence. We would probably read that sentence again in full. This is so very similar to the previous one, though. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to say, you know what, that however has to contrast against what came before, because these people were not the first in England, even though it seemed like they might have. And so our correct answer is C.